Hi, it's Anne here again. In my previous video, I show you how I turn this image into a new image without a background. So I'm going to show you this image that is with different color background. So this is the one. Now, in my next step, I'm going to show you how I use this image for my next design. Okay? We have to start this design with a portrait shape, and the canvas size is 4 by 8 inches. Now I will have to, my design is actually using one of the custom frame that I have made on my own. Custom frame portrait. So it is a portrait shape. It is a paint splash splatter shape. So I'm going to select this. So I have to make sure it's aligned with the background. And then with this shape, this frame, I'm going to place a video in this frame as my background. Okay, this is the effect I want. Then the next step, I'm going to insert an image. Okay. Now this is the image I have used before. All right, this is the image I want. Now you see why I need a background image, because I have another effect that I want to apply on. Now I need this image at the back layer of the frame. Okay. Now this is how it looks like. I am going to make it bigger because I want that effect of the hand is coming out. It's pop out. Okay, it's pop out from here. Okay, now I just want to make sure that this is the design that where is the hand located. Okay, all right. So now I want to have a pop out effect. Okay, now, so this is the one. Then the next step, I am going to use the image that I have removed, the background. This is the one. Make it slightly bigger. Now I need to crop this image that is without the background, so it's easy to work on. Okay. Now this is the one. Okay. Slightly over here. So from here, I'm going to make it slightly bigger. Okay, now if this happens, you have to click Control on your keyboard so it doesn't goes into the frame. Now I'm going to make this image that is without the background lower transparency so I can actually match the background of the image. Click Control and select the image again. So just to have a look, where is it positioned? Is it too big or too small? So just slightly adjust the image. Then from here, I am going to crop again here. So I'm going to make it 100 transparency again. So now from here, you can see it's pop out image. Okay. All right, this is what I want. Of course, I want to add some text over here. I'm going to add on some element, text element that I have used before. Okay, this one, congratulations. I'm going to turn it into white. And I'm going to type a text, some text over here. So I just select this, ungroup this, and this one. Okay, no effect, nothing. To my dearest daughter, I just make it. So this is a text that I want. Okay. Now here I'm going to add another text. With love, mom. Okay. Now, this image, this design looks a bit plain. So I'm going to add some background shadow effect for this frame. Okay, it looks a bit plain. So what I do is I am going to add on another layer of this frame and to make it a bit effect of it. So I'm going back to my project. I'm using this again. Now I make sure that I'm not going to overwrite this. So here I'm going to make it smaller and copy, go back to my design and paste. Now, why I do that? Because if I'm using the same image, a possibility of replacing this video background is there. I did try before. So what I do is I select this frame and place it into a different canvas. Then from there, I copy and place it back over here. Now, what I do is in order for me to go back to put a different, on different layer, I need to change this frame into a color design first. So I may want something bright. I'm going to use some pink. Is it too pink? Or maybe this color or this color? Okay, and maybe I use this to have a different effect. So I'm going to position and put it at the back. Now what I do is, okay, just put it front and place it and just make it slightly bigger. Something like this, and place it at the back. So now from here, you can have this two effect, all right? So now I'm going to adjust this again. Make it slightly bigger. Now you can have this effect. So once you have done, you can actually preview this, or you can just have a look over here. And this is how it looks like, the final design. So I'm going to preview this on this particular design. I'm going to delete this so I can show you how it looks like the preview. Okay. So this is how it looks like. Okay, I'm going to replay again. All right, that's about it. Thank you so much.